안녕하세요. 제가 오늘 읽어드릴 책은 Boat라는 책입니다. 오늘도 재밌게 시청 부탁드립니다. Big boat, little boat, float, float, float. Fancy boat, plain boat, 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 float. Boat in the bathtub, boat in the sea. Boat to carry Ducky, boat to carry me. Free boat, houseboat, chong, chong, chong. Motorboat, tugboat, lock, lock, lock. Boat packed with people, boat just for one. Busy, busy working boat, boat just for fun. Old boat, new boat. High boat, low. Boat by itself, boat in the row. Sailboat, showboat. Fast boat, slow. Boat, boat, and more boats. Go boats, go. 네, 여기까지입니다. 오늘도 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.